Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nurmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the flagship device from Oppo in India, the Oppo F7. So Oppo F7 is the latest flagship device from the company with a 25 megapixel selfie camera. So this is the box packing and comes in three colors, the silver variant, the red and the black variant. And today we have the red variant with us. We're going to do the unboxing of this device. We'll show you the device and also the interface and some camera samples taken with this device. So this is the Oppo F7 box pack, and you can see the back panel of the box mentions the 25 megapixel AI enabled front camera. That's the highlight of the device. We have the 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, and 6.23 inch Full HD plus resolution display. It's a full screen display, the 19:9 aspect ratio display, and it also comes with a notch very similar to the Vivo V9. Now design wise, it comes with a glossy and unique design made of glass and metal. And here we have the rear camera at 16 megapixel and 3400 mAh battery and 7.8 mm in thickness. So that's the specifications, and you can also see the SAR value mentioned here, and the voltage rating for the charger is 5 volt 2 ampere. So this device is priced 21,990 in India, and this comes in three colors, and it has this 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. So let's open the box pack and see what all comes inside. So opening up the box. So opening up the box. So there you go. So you can see the Oppo F7 in the top. This is the device. So it's finished in glass and metal. So that's the another highlight of the device. It has a really good build quality. So there you go. Let's just take this out. So there you go. So it looks really good in terms of the build quality. We have the 16 megapixel camera, fingerprint sensor, and the Oppo branding and LED flash. And on the front panel we have this massive 25 megapixel sensor included. So at the bottom panel you can see there is the micro USB charging slot. Then we have the speaker unit and the 3.5mm audio jack. Up top there are no openings or slots. Now on the right side we have this power key and SIM tray slot, and we have the volume rocker keys on the left side. So that's the design of the Oppo F7. So now opening up, you can see there is a good casing included. A silicone case is included with the box. Looks quite good. Then we have the quick start guide of the device. Again, the SAR values are mentioned here, and we have this triple slot here. You can see the triple slot mentioned. So SIM card 1, SIM card 2 and micro SD card support is included. Then this is again some instructions included. Then let's see the charger. So this is the charger. Default charger is 5 volt 2 ampere. That's the one supported. Then we have this earphone also included. It's quite a good quality earphone included. So it's a premium earphone. So we'll be talking about this later in our detailed review. And we have the standard cable also included. It's a micro USB charging cable included with the box pack. So that's all inside the box. Now let's boot the device. So there you go, that's the Oppo F7. So now we have boot the device. Now let's go to the settings and see the options. You can see this is the new UI. So Oppo's ColorOS is the UI which is powering this device. So let's go to the about phone and see. You can see the device name Oppo F7. Now Android version is 8.1, ColorOS is 5.0, and 4GB RAM and 48.9GB is available out of the 64GB. And Android patch level is at February 5, 2018. So that's the device. Now let's go to the settings again. Once again we can see a lot of features are included. Smart and convenient option like navigational keys customization, gesture and motion. Then additional apps, additional support like split screen, game acceleration, clone apps, that is dual app support, then app management, and a lot of things are included along with this option to customize the UI. The device is powered by the Helio P60 octa-core chipset. This is one of the relatively new chipsets announced by MediaTek at MWC 2018. And this comes with 4 cores Cortex A73. That is a really powerful chipset for this price segment. So we'll be analyzing how good the performance of the chipset is in our detailed videos coming up later. So stay tuned for that. So the highlight of the device is the AI powered front-facing 25 megapixel shooter with the Sony IMX576 sensor. So that's the latest sensor, and this is the first smartphone to use the IMX576 sensor with f-stop 2.0 aperture. And on the rear panel we have this 16 megapixel camera with f-stop 1.8 aperture, LED flash, and the fingerprint scanner is also included, Oppo branding, and we also have the face unlock feature along with the fingerprint scanner. So that's the device. Now let's open the camera interface. So let's see what all comes in here. So you can see here photo, video, time lapse, stickers, panorama, and the expert mode. That's the professional mode included. We have this bokeh mode, then some additional options are also included. So let's just take some captures and see how good it comes. So there you go. So it looks quite good. The details are pretty good. This is a photo taken in low light conditions, so you can see the details are pretty good. And here are some of the samples we have taken with this device after unboxing the device. So we'll be coming up with more videos including the gaming test and also the camera review of this device. So stay tuned for that. We'll also be comparing with some of the other smartphones in this price segment. So that is a quick unboxing and hands-on with the Oppo F7, the 25 megapixel selfie camera and the flagship device from Oppo in India. So this device looks pretty good. This will go on sale on April 9, that's today, with a price tag of 21,990, and it will be coming in 3 colors, the silver, red and the black variant. So you can buy it from either retail stores or online exclusive is Flipkart. So that's all guys with unboxing and hands-on with the Oppo F7. So stay tuned for more videos. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.